Hi everyone, today is Embarkation Day on the Disney Wonder. This is the last South Pacific sailing from Honolulu to Sydney. This was my very first cruise ever, let alone Disney cruise, so I was very curious to know how the boarding process happened. So first, you drop off your luggage and then you get through security. Afterwards, you go through passenger check-in, and that's when you get a bracelet and you basically wait until you get called on to go on board. The moment has finally arrived and we can board the Disney Wonder. I was so excited. The ship was so big. Even though I know this is one of the smaller ships, I've never been on any cruise ship before, so it was a whole experience. Once you get on board, your family name is announced and Donald Duck was on the stairs waving at us. The atrium is on deck 3 and our room is on deck 6. So we took the elevator to deck 6. When you get on board early, you do have to wait until your room is ready for you. So while we waited, we decided to look around on deck 6 and take in the beautiful decorations of the Little Mermaid and Flounder. This is the full map of deck 6. When you walk through the halls on a Disney cruise, you will find that a lot of doors have Disney-themed magnets. I'm gonna show you what our room looks like on the inside. So we stayed here with 3 people. The bed on the left is actually a sofa. So you do get room service 3 times a day and they will make up the bed for you and also change it back to a sofa in the morning. There is space under the bed for extra storage. On the left, you see some closets, and on the right is our bathroom. So the toilet and the bathtub are in one room. We definitely had lack of space, so I do recommend bringing some magnetic hooks with you because the bathroom door on this cruise ship is also magnetic, so you can hang your stuff there. After we got settled in our room, we headed over to the French Quarter Lounge and ordered some beignets. This is the menu for the French Quarter Lounge. Everything in this lounge is paid, so nothing is complimentary, so keep that in mind. So unfortunately, it's not all day, everyday beignets for us. Afterwards, we attended the mandatory guest assembly drill. We headed over to deck 9 because it was almost time for the sail a wave party. If you wonder, no pun intended, what kind of activities they offer on this sailing, I do have the activities for day 1 posted on my channel, and I will be posting them every day before I post the vlog of the day. I will also be posting the menu for the restaurant of that day. We decided to take a look at what kind of sippers and tumblers they had. I do actually recommend if you see something, just buy it right away because things sell out so quickly. And now it's time for the Sail a Wave party.
Awesome job, sailors! That's what I'm talking about! You bet! And the boat just getting started. Because we're about to sail it out just like this. Show 'em, gang! So when you hear Disney Wonder, we want you to wave those hands nice and high in the air. You ready? Let's go! Disney Wonder! Wave those hands! Disney Wonder! Disney Wonder! Disney Wonder! What do you think, Jay?
That's great! You folks are the best sailor weavers I've ever seen!
Everybody did great! I couldn't have said it better myself, gang. Alright, Disney Wonder, put your hands up in the air. Because right now we're about to welcome your cruise director, Malcolm!
We got some lunch from Cabanas and decided to explore the ship a little bit. So on the first day, every store is closed, but the windows are clear, so we decided to do a little window shopping. I was already making lists in my head of everything I would buy. So this is Azure. This is basically the entertainment club for adults. This is where they host trivia, but also like silent discos at night. I was so happy to be able to buy some popcorn buckets. I bought the Captain America chute, which is a zipper, a very pretty Disney villains popcorn bucket, and of course the talking Mickey popcorn bucket.
Hey, Mickey. Hiya, I'm Mickey Mouse.
Hey Mickey!
Let's celebrate!
We had late dining, so that means that we had plenty of time to explore the ship. So we decided to enjoy the last of Hawaii before we left. It is beautiful. So on this sailing, we do stop at a few islands. So we stop at American Samoa, Fiji, and New Caledonia or Kanaki. This is Mike Wazowski's ice cream treats where you can get free ice cream every day. They always have 3 flavors and they do rotate flavors every day. On deck 9 is also a refill station. This is the only refill station on the ship, and you can access this anytime to refill your drinks. There are also hot beverages. It's dinner time, and for us, our first dinner was at Triton's. This is located in the atrium with a stunning Atlantis backdrop. So every day you dine at a different restaurant and you get assigned 2 servers who rotate with you. So every night you will have the same 2 servers. If you are wondering, you can get multiple appetizers and you can also get multiple desserts. So of course we took all desserts. After dinner, we decided to spend the night at Azure. We attended trivia, we also did a quest, and then we danced the night away at the silent DJ party. Every night there will be a towel animal waiting for you on your bed along with some chocolates. If you enjoyed watching this video and are curious to know what is next, make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching me sparkle.